Okay, so the crypto market is definitely getting slammed. You can tell. Obviously, if you've looked at any of your accounts this morning, you can see that it's going down. In fact, right now, crypto is down 3.2%. Actually, it's holding up fairly well in light of kind of the broader market issue that we've got going on here. We're going to get into that. We're going to talk about everything that is going on. As always, I appreciate you. Thank you for your support. I am still in Belize on spring break with the family. Let me just, show you. So there's the view out. It's really hard to find a place to record when you're on a trip. You never know what you're going to come into. Internet. I mean, there's really not very good internet connections here at the hotel. It's at least somewhat doable. But anyway, so that's what I got going on. So, but I want to keep making content for you, and for you guys, and tell you what is going on. Okay, so crypto market is getting slammed. It is definitely moving down. Bitcoin moving down about 3%. Ethereum down 3%, but you can see it's not down dramatically bad. Let me show you the other side of this coin. Okay, so I'm going to refresh this in just a minute. The Dow down 503, NASDAQ down 114. Let's see how much it's dropped. So as we get the refresh here, okay, so it's actually come back a little bit. Good, not much, but stocks plummet amid Credit Suisse turmoil. So what we've got going on here in the broader market now this is again outside of crypto, right? Oh, excuse me, I wasn't sharing my screen. My apologies. Let me show you this. I apologize. Sorry for that. So what I was just trying to show you, but I hadn't switched over yet, was to Yahoo Finance here. So earlier this morning, it's been as low as about 522. The Dow down 522, but now it is down 422. NASDAQ down 105. Stocks plummet amid Credit Suisse turmoil. So Credit Suisse plunges to record low as bank jitters. Okay, so this is all kind of part and parcel to the Silicon Valley Bank scenario, where last week SVB, Silicon Valley Bank, basically, went insolvent. Now you've got Credit Suisse, which is Switzerland's number 2 bank. Their largest backer has basically said that they are not going to be, putting any more money into Credit Suisse. And also Credit Suisse has come out in a couple of different publications talking about significant issues. So what you're seeing here is kind of something I talked about last week, which is kind of the domino effect. You're going to start seeing more and more of these, banks and everything. And I'm going to bring this back to crypto, so just bear with me, okay? So I'm going to bring it back to crypto. But you can see that there was another one here. They were talking about First Republic Bank, which is a large bank here in the States. There's just a lot of now questions and concerns around the traditional banking world, the viability, the solvency of those respective banks. Okay, so why is crypto getting pushed down? What's happening with crypto? Let's take a look real quickly at where we're at. Rise of right now, this moment. Let's see. So crypto is still kind of hovering at that down 3.2%. So the bottom line here is that when people's confidence in banks, right, is starting to get shaken, and I think again we have more of these coming. Credit Suisse is one that I was kind of watching. I thought it might happen. And it has, as of today. There's others, First Republic. There's some other ones that are out there that could have issues. It starts to shake people's confidence, right? Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. I talk about this on my channel all the time. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt is really what's driving the market right now. And by the way, we have this backdrop of inflation. We still have the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting coming up on March 21, 22. We got the CPI report yesterday. It was still, showing inflation not going down as much, came in at 6%. But it's this kind of fear and around what's going to happen. Is my bank down on the corner of Main Street in my local town, is that a good bank now, right? That's the fear. That's the fear that you're starting to see come into play here. And so when that happens, stock market is dramatically moving down. And that fear kind of pervades or kind of moves over into crypto as well, right? A little bit. Now, it's more in line with just kind of base fear. And so it's almost like people start to think, well, I'm just might as well put my money underneath my mattress at home. I mean, I'm just using that as a metaphor, but you get my point. So stay tuned. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button below. Please drop a like, and I will be here later on today with what's going on. I'll see you.